Ever wanted to use a VPN on your Apple TV, but realized there's no app for it? Don't worry, you don't need one. What's up guys, my name is Kyle. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up IPVanish on your Apple TV using your router, so you can unblock content, protect your connection, and stay safe online. This can save you a lot of frustration online. Let's get into it. By the end of this video, you'll understand why a VPN on Apple TV is important, prepare your router for IPVanish, configure your router with IPVanish step by step, test your Apple TV connection, and troubleshoot common issues. Let's get to it. Let's quickly cover why you'd want a VPN on your Apple TV. Apple TV doesn't support native VPN apps, so a direct setup isn't possible. Using a VPN through your router protects all devices connected to it, not just the Apple TV. This setup lets you stream geo-blocked content safely, keeping your connection private. It also helps prevent your ISP or network from tracking what you watch. Now let's get your router ready. Proper preparation makes the setup easy and prevents any mistakes. Firstly, check your router compatibility. IPVanish works with many popular models. Log into your router dashboard and make sure your firmware is up to date. Next, you need to note your current network settings, in case you need to restore them later. If you don't have an IPVanish account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and register. To configure IPVanish on your router, open your router dashboard and navigate to VPN settings. Enter your IPVanish username and password, then select a server location. Pick the country you want for streaming content. Then save and apply the settings. Then reboot your router if necessary. Now that IPVanish is set up on your router, let's make sure everything is working correctly. Connect Apple TV to the same Wi-Fi network from your router. Open a streaming service like Netflix, Disney+, or any other platform that's normally geo-blocked. Check your IP address using a quick online tool to make sure it reflects the VPN server location that you selected. Then test video playback to make sure that streaming is smooth and the content is accessible. If a streaming server still shows a geo-blocked error, restart your Apple TV and try again. Also try switching servers in your IPVanish account if content loads slowly. Testing ensures that your VPN is actually protecting your Apple TV and giving you access to the content you want. Even though the setup is simple, sometimes things need a little tweak. Keep your router firmware and IPVanish app up to date. This helps give you the best performance. Reboot your router occasionally to refresh the connection. Switch VPN servers if streaming is slow or you encounter buffering. Check for DNS or IP leaks to confirm that your Apple iTV is fully protected. And enable advanced router settings only if needed. A few simple maintenance steps will keep your Apple TV streaming securely, smoothly and reliably through IPVanish. Today you learned why using IPVanish on your Apple TV through your router is so useful, how to prepare your router, how to configure IPVanish step by step, how to test your connection, and simple troubleshooting tips to keep your streaming smooth and secure. The big takeaway is this: setting IPVanish on your router protects your Apple TV and every device connected to it. It lets you stream geo-blocked content safely and keeps your online activity private, all without needing a VPN app itself on Apple TV. If you don't have an IPVanish account, make sure to get one using the link in the description below. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using these links helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free step-by-step tutorials just like this. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.